Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to explain how to draw the isometric projection of different polygons. See, first I will take a triangular lamina. It is an equilateral triangular lamina. You call it as A, B and C. So to draw the isometric projection of this triangular lamina, first what you have to do is you enclose this entire triangular lamina with a box such that all the corner points should be on the lines of the box like this, and you name it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so to draw the isometric projection of this triangular lamina, what you have to do is first you draw one horizontal line, you mark one point at the center of the line. You draw one 30-degree line towards right hand side on this point. Similarly, you draw one more 30-degree line towards left hand side. Okay, it is 30 degree. Similarly, this is also 30 degree. Next, what you have to do is you take the length 1 to 2 and you convert this length into the isometric length with the help of the isometric scale. So you take the isometric length of 1 to 2 and you mark here. So this is 1 and 2. So I am writing here 1, 2 is iso length. Similarly, you take from 1 to 4 length, you convert it with the help of isometric scale and you mark here and you mark here. This is the point 4. So 1 to 4 is also the isometric length. Okay. Next, what you do is you draw a line at this point 4 parallel to this 30-degree line like this. Next, you just draw a line parallel to this 30-degree line at this point 2 like this. This line is parallel to this line and this line is parallel to this line. This is the point 3. So now we have written the isometric view for this square lamina 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the square. But we have to write the isometric view for this triangular lamina. We take this length 1 to 2, it is as it is, right? See, the point B is at the point 1. You write B here. Point C is at the point 2 itself. You write this is the point C. But the point A is in between 4 and 3. You take this length 4 to A, you convert this to the isometric length and you mark here. So that you will get the point A in between the points 4 and 3. See, 4 to A is also the isometric length. Next, you join A, B, C. With the help of scale, just join this. See, this is how we are going to write the isometric view for the triangular lamina. That means all the lengths should be converted to the isometric length. Those isometric lengths are used to draw the isometric projection. Next, let us see how to write the square lamina. It is a square lamina. You call it as A, B, C, D. So to draw the isometric projection, it is not necessary to cover it with the help of a box, because it is already a box and it covers all the points. So to draw the isometric projection for this square, what you have to do is you simply draw one horizontal line, you mark one point, you draw one 30-degree line towards right hand side. Similarly, you draw one more 30-degree line here, left hand side. Next, you take A to B length. Okay, you convert it to the isometric length and you mark here. This is point A, this is point B. Similarly, you take A to D length, you convert it and you mark here. That is the point D. At this point D, you draw a line parallel to this 30-degree line. like this. Similarly at point B, you draw a line parallel to this line AD. So this is the point C. So then you make it dark. This is the isometric projection of this square ABCD. So here also you have to take the converted lengths only. Next, third one. How to write the isometric view for a pentagonal lamina? So I am writing a pentagonal lamina here. And I am calling this as A, B, C, D and E. So here first what you do is you have to draw a box so as to cover all the points. See like this. You enclose this pentagonal lamina with the help of a box. You call it as 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we have to write the isometric projection for this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Same way, you just draw one line. You mark the center point. You draw a 30-degree line towards right hand side. Similarly, you draw one more 30-degree line towards left hand side. Okay. You consider this is the point number 1. 1 to 2. You take this 1 to 2 isometric length with the help of isometric scale and you mark here. Okay, this is 2. Similarly, from 1 to 4, you convert it and you mark here. This is the point 4. So at this point 2, you draw a line parallel to this 30-degree line here, like this. Similarly, at this point 4, you draw a 30-degree line, a line parallel to this 30-degree line, like this. So that you get the point number 3. Okay. Next, you take the isometric length from 1 to A. You take the isometric length from 1 to A, you mark here. See, because the point A is in between 1 and 2. Similarly, you take the isometric length from 2 to B, you mark here. This is the point B. Similarly, you take the isometric length from 2 to C, you mark here. This is the point C. Similarly, the point D is in between 4 and 3. So you take the isometric length from 4 to D, you convert it and you mark here. This is the point D. Similarly, from point 1 to E, or you can take from 4 to E. One and the same. I am taking here from 1 to E. See, 1 to E, you convert it and you mark here. This is the point E. You join all these A, B, C, D, E points. See, this is how we are going to write the isometric view for this pentagonal lamina. Okay, right. So in this video I have shown how to write the isometric view for the different polygons, that is a triangular lamina, a square lamina and a pentagonal lamina. Here you have to take only the isometric length. You should keep it in your mind. You should not take the actual lengths.